Hey everyone, so this will be a pretty quick unboxing here of the Sea Blue Google Pixel 7a. A while back we did it on the coral color. Now we just bought the Sea Blue. Get back to that in just a second. So you have some paperwork in there. You have your USB-C to USB-C cable, and then you have this cool adapter, which is actually rather nice. I don't know of too many other companies that give you that. So that is quite nice. Then we have the Sea Blue, which almost looks more, it's like a white blue, really is what this is. That's a hard color to get on camera correctly, but that is a nice looking color. And of course we have our front facing camera there. You have your volume rocker, your power button. We have a mic. You have your port here for your spot here for your SIM card. USB-C speakers. I'm showing one of them actually works. And of course, there's also the speaker up here. So like I said, just a very quick unboxing. Very nice looking color. So it's more like almost like a milky blue or like a white blue. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. See y'all next time.